Is your daughter is growing too fast? Yes, early puberty is real. Many टाइम पेशेंट आते हैं और कंप्लेन करते हैं कि मैम इतना जल्दी पीरियड्स कैसे आ सकते हैं. बट येस, दिस इज हैपनिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया. 10 to 15% of girl child having menarche at the age of 7 or younger. This is a serious issue. Many reasons for this, but food can be a hidden reason behind it. So these are 5 foods to avoid for preventing early puberty in girl child. And sugary beverages like soft drinks, flavored milk, juices should be avoided. It is very high in sugar, can lead to insulin resistance, and this can lead to surge of sex hormones. And it has added preservatives or it has artificial flavors. This can disturb the hormonal balance. So this should be avoided. Processed and junk food should be avoided, like fries, chips, pizza, burger. It has refined carbs and it has trans fats. It has preservative, which is linked with a fat gain, and it is again linked with the early puberty. So it has to be avoided. Excess sugar or sweets like candies, chocolate, pastries, anything can spike the insulin and IGF-1, and this can again lead to early development in children. So it has to be avoided. Hormone injected dairy or meat should be avoided. Some of the dairies are given growth hormone for the excess production, and this can disturb your child's endocrine system. So it has to be avoided. Instant and packed food has to be avoided. It contains MSG. It has artificial flavor enhancer. It is added with preservatives. So it has to be avoided because it can affect endocrine system very badly. Some tips for the healthy growth: use organic milk or limit your dairy products. Encourage diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Include flax seeds, nuts, and seeds in diets. Daily physical activity is a must, and avoid plastic containers. So let's help her to grow on her own pace.